Alright, so the box first comes in like this, and you can pick which day you want it to, arrive. So for me, I chose Monday. So every Monday, this box comes in, and in here is, 3 couple meals. Like technically it's like 6 total meals, but 3 couple meals, right? So that is the box. So for this week, which is February 18th, the 3 meals that I picked was the chorizo spiced pork and rice with pickled onions, honey tamari chicken with carrots and steamed rice, and Middle Eastern meatballs with tabbouleh and sour cream. Alright, so that is what I chose. It also shows me like what's coming up the following week. So right now, this is what is given to me, and if for whatever reason I'm like, I'm not feeling that, then I can just click somewhere. Where'd it go? If I scroll down, right here, it says edit recipes. Just click on that, and then it will show you like the different options you can choose from. So, it's not like a plethora of options, but I think the options are, pretty good. So, and I feel like if it was too much option, then it would kind of like, be too hectic. So I like this. So they give you a couple of options, and if you want to change it up, you can. Alright, so back to today's meal. So in the box, this is what it looks like. Alright, it's not like super nicely organized, but that doesn't really bother me. This is all 3 couple meals right here on the counter. And alright, so in this case, this is like an insulated little refrigerator. So when I open it up and take out all the contents, it has everything that needs to be refrigerated. So just in case they drop off the box and you're not home, you can be, you can be assured that your food is still safe and refrigerated. So we have some chicken. We got some, what is this? Some ground pork. This is, grass-fed ground beef, and then we have some cream cheese, and this is what's keeping it nice and cold. And yeah, so for today, I want to eat the honey tamari chicken. Alright, so like, let me go back and show you guys how I got here. So those are the 3 meals for the week, like I showed you earlier. And then if you see like right here where my mouse is, it says honey tamari chicken. Just click on the picture and it, boom, pops up, right? And then over here, it tells you click for cooking instructions. So you want to click on that. And then another page pops up and it tells you all your cooking instructions. Now, I will say, so it tells you what they sent. So basically, this is what you're going to need from the box they sent you to make this, make this dish. And then the bottom, it tells you what you're going to need. So you do have to grab some stuff out of your own pantry to, make this recipe. But there are stuff that you most likely already have anyway. Like, salt and pepper, oil, vinegar, sugar. It's like, I'm sure almost all of us, if not all of us, we already have this. So yeah, that is that. And then it tells you simple instructions right there. Alright, so far I have the rice cooking. And then we're like heating up the pan. I chopped up my carrots. Look how big they are. We got the garlic all chopped up right there. And then I have the peanuts all chopped up right there. Just an update. So the carrots are being cooked in oil. And, waiting for that to happen. And then if we go over here, so I seasoned the chicken with some salt and pepper. So that's that going on. Now we're making the sauce, which looks delicious. Yum. Alright, so here is the final dinner. Looks delicious. Carrots, chicken, rice, and some garnished with peanuts. Looks good. That is what it looks like.